You hear? So you know, not upon blood clot me. Them youth never pass in place with me. Never a day in my life.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers, so welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Shelly and Blamdem are go at it again. Plus we also have Foota hype. Yeah man, the entertainer talk a bag of things about the election. Viewers and subscribers, this update is one that you do not want to miss. So channel man, big up on yourself like ours, and remember, leave a subscribe if you're new.
Introducing you to your next MP, Isaac Buchanan.
Anne-Marie! Your time come! Tired of the incompetent leader, Miss Anne-Marie Ball. This is the Dr. Broomfield. Can't take prospect. What is that Buchanan? So we never work, we know. We do not sleep, we are work. What is that?
This is the one over Buchanan.
What a feel now, Yaki Boss? And the first I ever feel so joyful.
Tonight are the happiest day in my life for the past 10 years.
What we have proven is that the importees and the deportees can come into a parish and have conversations with the residents here, and we can do great things. But the word is love, you know, love conquers all, and I tell you, say, when you anchor all of your steps on God, you can't go wrong. God on time, and we have the win.
I want to commend all of you. You really prove to me, say, here are leaders we claim say them care for you, you not care for them. You just care for JLP, the party. You not care about the lives of the people that are dead. You not care about who they are prison. You not care about nothing else. Because it still amazes me and it's astonishing to me. Say, after what them did to Uno still go vote like that. That means say, nobody from Tivoli Garden can truly tell me say them love Dodos. They can't tell me say them love Live Up. They can't tell me say them love new generation or young generation them. You just can't tell me. You love Jamaica Labour Party. You don't love nobody where in the suffering you do no. You don't like none of the life them will last. None of them something. Then again, there's so many weird things about what happened. But me, I have to accept say, the nation has spoken. The people them choose sufferation. The people them choose corruption. The people them choose no hospital beds. The people them choose taxi man get extorted. The people them choose how much missing kids, how much pitney dead at children hospital we got unaccounted for. When you choose no oxygen, no ventilator at the hospital. I want to choose them something there, you know. I want to choose the government that signed the Samoan agreement to promote and enforce LGBTQ behavior in Jamaica. Zine, I want to choose for them put up Batman advertisement in a half a tree. It's like when I figure all of these things I want to choose. So at this point, I can't blame Andrew only for nothing, you know. Zine, I can't blame Andrew for nothing. And from now on, Zine, big up Andrew. Me, now go repost Nobody in a hospital on floor with drip hold up. Me nah go read post no UA hospital without water. Me nah go read post none of them something there. When taxi man a protest at half a tree, I will not repost any of that. When the nurse and the teacher them and the police them and the fireman them are protest for no money when them not get paid, me not repost it. Or even days before election, the fireman them complain to them not get them money, and me still did post it. I will not do that. I will not do that. The Jamaican people have chosen what they want, and we have to accept it. Then the raft man them, where Andrew them run off of the river, where they can't do no rafting. Uno na bother ball again and things say Foota hype I go go strength. Me not post none of them something there, cause uno choose what uno want. No, I have never seen. Me don't know if I will be Andrew use. Me don't know if I by vote. Whatever it is, the people has chosen the side what them want. The people them when a COVID will get locked up and have to go pay how much money a court. None of the injustice cannot make me post nothing about it again. Airlift handlers out of airport will strike how much time. Immigration officers will strike how much time. Police will strike how much time. And them, at if the ballot box them, uno choose this. Uno choose it, you know. Uno choose this. So, my views on the Prime Minister has not changed. Zin, remember me telling you, say, me not hate Andrew as a person, but as a Prime Minister, Andrew is the worst Prime Minister I've ever seen, and he still is the worst. Zin, see somebody say yes, I that them choose. When uno a ball, me see a youth named Big Pop, the artist from Spanish Town, ball when his mother dead in a Spanish Town hospital because nobody now look upon her. When no toilet paper in a hospital, and then Mr. Tufton come say him have one warehouse full of toilet paper. And that uno vote for, you know. Uno vote for government money and pay for buildings. Me nah ball, Bonner boy, me nah ball. Me nah ball, you know. Don't say me a ball. Me alright, you know.
So Foota hype a speak in mind, and I make you know how him feel about the whole election. And you know, yeah man, the people has chosen and the people has spoken. You see me? Yeah man, as I said, me not to do the politician or politics thing, but I was post video about it. So viewers and subs, just leave on a take in the comments.
Could you see a picture here? Them time me and my man live right, yes sir. Me and my man live right, yes sir. Which skate is me and my man live? See? At time J-Man and Two Fly. And I remember which part Two Fly when go buy food for come back. Right, and my man take a picture. Them youth and me pitney them and me grow them. Dante and J-Man. The little never pass them place with me, bro. Batty boy, some mother Blamdem. A bad mind they kill. You can't get the best of me. I mean, I still like your mother's boy. Rather man than your black lad. Nasty Blamdem. My man live right. My man has since supposed to laugh. And my man take a picture. Me grow the youth here. Not about love and respect there for me Blamdem. Because your mother. You want to forward a little batty man, you. I'm going to reveal the truth. Yeah, man, I'm going to show you. Or teach you a lesson so don't follow clot me. So me pick your uncle picture with you. And the whole of your batty man people them, I'm going to teach you a lesson. Yeah, you're not upon me. I'm enough coach. And you alone take for batty wall. Your mother fuck out and done. Your mother pussy graveyard. Cemetery. You hear? Cemetery. Who know this? TJ when you write the too. Of my yard is. I didn't ever come link me and my man. You hear? So you know, not upon blood clot me. The mute never pass in place with me. Never day in my life. A two-fly man this, not blood man. Look for you. I ain't gonna eat that camera with Cree. So as I see me with one man, me and the man there. You favor up it. I suck your mother waist boy, Blamdem. You just say watch me and I watch it. You just say watch me so. You see?